This video tutorial offers a step-by-step guide on how to calculate age using date of birth in Excel. You will be able to find out an exact number of years that passed from the date of birth until now. So it's easier than you might think. So now let's get started. The most suitable function to calculate age in Excel is the function DATEDIF. So before you use this function, make sure the data table is formatted properly. So this is the function DATEDIF. So for that, we're gonna select this date of birth here, and we're gonna right click and click this option called Format Cells. The cells with the dates must be formatted as date. So now in the date section, we're gonna select date, and we're gonna select this 14/03/2012. So as the date format, we're gonna click this, and we're gonna click OK. And now and the cells to display the calculated age needs to be formatted as a number. So we're going to right click, and we're going to click this option called Format Cells. And now we're going to format it as number. We're going to click this option called number. So you can able to visualize I have selected in numbers, and I'm going to click OK. Now select the cell to display the result. Enter the equal sign. Right after that, type DATEDIF. And now I'm going to enter as DATEDIF. So once you have entered, now we need to enter three details. So the first one is the date of birth. So click in the cell B5 here. Then add a comma. And the Excel now needs the today's date. This can be easily entered as today function. So now we're going to enter as today. So you're going to click this function here. So let me add a closing bracket here. Since we want to use the current date, we will leave the function today in the formula and move on to the next step here. And now add another comma and carry on typing Y in the quotation marks for years. To find out the exact number of completed years that passed between the date of birth and today's date. Now just close the brackets and hit enter. So now nice work. The function can be used to calculate age in other rows too. Simply copy the formula from the first cell by dragging down the bottom left corner of the cell. And that's all it takes. Each row now contains the calculated age as the number of completed years that passed between the date of birth and today. So thanks for watching. In this video I have shown you how to calculate age using date of birth in Excel. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.